Yes sir, Rise and Grind back at you with another video with the Pull Up King. In this video we got a 2013 Nissan Altima 2.5S. In this video we got a door handle we're gonna start on. This door handle is broken. Close it, can't open it up from the inside. It's the door handle right here. Brand new. Alright, let's get it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion. I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
So we got after this one, I'm gonna make a video for enter and out of tie rod, so stick around for that. The link will be in the description. So what we gotta do here is get these off, get behind here, prime back. Probably gonna have to remove some screws. When we get back here, take this piece back off right here. Get your flathead and pry up on that. And we can remove these connectors here. And it looks like we got a bolt right here. 10 mil or Phillips head. Get that up. Get a flathead, get that out. Got a 10 mil right here. Once we get that 10 mil out, we should be able to pry it from around door panel. Just went back here. Just want to remove these clips. Got a few of them. Get them out those holes. Take that out. So you gotta get back in here with a flathead, pry that back, and this whole piece will come off. Had to figure that one out to get to this bolt right here. Now with that removed, now when you pull up on this and get it over that seal, that window seal, fall right off. Connector, undo that. You want to remove these here. I want to come on this side so you can see. Alright. You can see where it broke off at. Right there. Alright, once you pull those out, then we got the sensor, or this one down here. This connector for that light. So I ain't see it until now, but basically you want to just take that off before you take the door panel off. And it's got a little connector in there, you get that out. Just like that. Now we got the door off. Now this is where you want to remove the actual door handle. Got some screws holding it. Phillips head. And it look like it's about 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright, we got a new part because that other part wasn't the exact fit. It's gotta match up. It had a different shape to it, and plus that was chrome as well. So This is it right here. Swap it out. Reverse order. Got those 3 in there. Alright, now we're gonna go ahead and attach these cables here. Make sure you got that one there. Now we can tuck this in. That on. Pull that through. Go ahead and put that screw in there. And here. Alright, we down at the bottom. We gotta push this through here so we can plug up that light. Pop that in there. Use both hands. Now we can push it on the clips. Alright, we got that in there. And let's see if it opens up. That's it. Alright, man. Until next time. Pull up, King.